Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another cleaning motivation. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I'm a working wife and a mommy to an 8-year-old sweet boy. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family for more cleaning motivation, organization, and mommy lifestyle. I upload new video every single week. Today's video is a collaboration with my fellow mommy and YouTuber, Ashley from Fitbusybee Channel. Ashley is a wife and a stay-at-home mom to 4 kids. On her channel, you will find a lot of power hour, cleaning motivation, daily vlogs, and health fitness. Ashley is amazing. She is very funny. I love her personality and I'm sure you will too. So when you're done watching my video, please go head up to her channel and watch her video too. Send her some love and tell her that I sent you. Now let's get into my video and start cleaning my oven. Here I am wiping down all the crumbs in my oven before I start putting my cleaner paste. As it says on the title, I am going to be using vinegar and baking soda to clean my oven. Here I am making a paste-like texture. Honestly guys, I didn't really measure anything. I just made sure that it's not too runny or thick. If you can lather it without the baking soda melting, I think that's good enough. As I'm lathering this vinegar and baking soda mix, I'm just lightly scrubbing as I go. I will be leaving this in my oven overnight so it can do its own magic and it will be easier to scrub it the next day because all the hard crumbs and baked food buildup will loosen up on its own. As you see, my oven have holes, so everything that I put in here goes all the way down to the bottom. So I have to clean the bottom part too because it tends to get crumbs and dirt too. Here's the next day. As you see, the solution dried up already. And here are my oven racks that I am gonna clean as well. They are pretty brown. Hopefully, I can lighten them up a little bit. Before I actually start cleaning the oven, I'm gonna lather vinegar and baking soda mix on this as well so it's soaking while I'm scrubbing the oven. So since the solution is already dried up, I'm spraying my oven with my vinegar mix cleaner to kinda wet it again. To scrub my oven, I am using dish sponge and stainless steel scrubber. If you are from Ashley's channel, hello and welcome! I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here and be a part of my YouTube family. So after wiping up all the solution, it's still kind of greasy, so I use water with a little bit of dish soap and wipe it with the sponge and it works guys. This is like the best thing to take out all the leftover grease. To wipe down the wet grease, I'm just using paper towel so that I can just dispose this after, because if I use the cleaning cloth, it'll be very hard for me to take down all the grease, even washing it from the washing machine. So I'll just be wiping it with the paper towel and then dispose it, and then after all that, I'm just gonna wipe it again with the actual cleaning cloth with my vinegar mix. That's gonna be the last step.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need
Here, I move on to clean the bottom of my oven. I'm just cleaning this the same way I clean inside my oven. Leave me a comment down below if you put or store anything on the bottom drawer of your oven, because I don't. Like it says here, don't store anything in the drawer. I don't, because it gets super warm. If I do, I would just put like a cookie sheet tray or a cookie pan here, which I only have a couple of them. But every time I use my oven, I take it out because, like I said, it gets super hot and it burns, and I don't want that to happen, so I don't really put anything under there. So after 40 years of scrubbing my oven, just kidding. Now I move on to the outside part and the top part, which I just use my method anti-bac in the scent Wildflower. So now I move on with my oven racks, which I'm trying to scrub the heck out of. I'm still using the same cleaner that I used to soak this, which is vinegar and baking soda. I just every once in a while add a little bit of water just to wet it because it dried up. But that's all I'm using, and then I'm just gonna rinse this and wipe it and put it back in the oven. I'm really surprised these oven racks actually got cleaned and it looks more silver now than black, so I am very happy about that. I hope this video gives you lots of motivation to tackle your own mess at home or whatever chore you need to get done today. If it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future videos. If you wanna follow and connect with me, you will find my Instagram account link in the description box below. Please don't forget to check Ashley's channel after watching this video. Thank you, Ashley, for doing this collaboration with me. It was fun. And thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I hope to see you all again on my next video. Bye!